The world's longest hiccup streak. Did you know someone hiccuped non-stop for 68 years? Meet Charles Osborne, the man who became a medical mystery and a symbol of perseverance after his hiccup streak began in 1922. It all began when Charles had a minor accident while trying to lift a heavy object. Doctors theorized this strange event damaged a part of his brain, triggering relentless hiccups at a rate of 40 per minute. Despite the constant hiccups, Charles adjusted his daily life remarkably, even raising a family. His hiccups finally stopped, mysteriously, in 1990, mere months before his passing. Curious about more jaw-dropping records? Subscribe and share this post to uncover strange stories from history that defy explanation.